What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO salary loan. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano nga ba yung pwede nyong ma-salary loan sa BDO at saka kung magkano yung interest rates and then of course kung gaano nyo siya katagal pwedeng bayaran. Pag-uusapan din natin guys yung application requirements and of course kung paano mag-apply ng BDO salary loan. And of course, pag-uusapan natin kung magkano yung pwede maging monthly amortization, at the same time, yung eligibility at saka yung income requirement. So, magkano nga ba yung income requirement para ma-qualify kayo for BDO salary loan? Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, BDO personal loans provide financing up to 2 million pesos with terms of 6 to 36 months. So as you can see guys, 6 to 36 months. So meaning, 6 na buwan hanggang 3 taon. Kasi 36 months divide 12 since 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. So 6 na buwan hanggang 3 taon. Designed for salaried employees, minimum 15,000 monthly income requirement or monthly income. So as you can see, designed for salaried employee. Kasi ang topic natin ngayon is BDO Unibank Salary Loan. Or self-employed individuals with minimum of 35,000 monthly income. So pwede rin naman yung mga self-employed individuals but yung required income is 35,000 pesos monthly. Aged 21 to 60 years old. So mga ilang taon, yung qualified is 21 years old pa 60 years old. It features low interest rates and a quick application process, often used for personal expenses or consolidation. So when we say personal expenses, pang sariling kagastusan at saka consolidation. Diba, marami kayong utang, nagkalat. So mag-loan kayo ng buo dito, then bayaran nyo lahat yun para ito na lang yung babayaran ninyo. Or iisa na lang yung iisipin ninyo. Key features and requirements. Personal loan. Loan amount is up to 2 million pesos. As I have just said, kung magkano yung pwede yung ma-loan sa BDO salary loan, it is amounting to 2 million pesos. Terms is 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, or 36 months. So kung gaano siya katagal, pwedeng 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 36 months. 36 months yung pinakamatagal or 3 years. Then yung minimum is 6 months. Eligibility, Filipino citizens, or resident foreigner 21 to 60 years old. So yung mga eligible individuals is yung Filipino citizens of course. And pwede rin yung mga foreigner kung resident kayo ng Philippines, basta 21 years old pa 60 years old kayo. Income requirement. So magkano nga ba yung income requirement guys kapag balak mo mag-file ng salary loan sa BDO Unibank or BDO? Minimum gross fixed monthly income of 15,000 pesos for employees or 35,000 pesos for self-employed. So, para sa mga empleyado, 15,000 yung required income requirement. Monthly yun guys ha. Para naman sa mga self-employed, 35,000 pesos. Basic documents. Application form, of course. Yung proof of income, of course, kailangan nyo kasi maglo-loan kayo. Payslip, ITR, and valid ID. So, as you can see, kailangan yung ITR since kung ikaw ay self-employed. Kung ikaw naman ay employed, payslip lang. Kung self-employed ka, ITR o income tax return yung kailangan. Of course, yung valid IDs. Important notes. Interest rates. So, ngayon, magkano nga ba yung interest rates, guys, ng BDO salary loans? Monthly add-on rates can range from 1.30% for 6 months to 1.25% for 12 months. Basic on sample computations with an annual effective interest rate of 26%. So as you can see guys, para sa mga gusto lang na 6 months, yung interest rate niya per month is 1.30%. Para naman sa 12 months pataas, 1.25% yung monthly add-on rate. Then yung effective interest rate niya annual is 26%. Additional loans. BDO Network Bank provides specialized salary loans for teachers of up to 1 million with no co-maker. So if you're a teacher, yung BDO Network Bank naman is nag-o-offer ng specialized salary loan which is up to 1 million pesos. For eligible teachers yan guys. Siyempre, dapat nagsimula ka muna sa maliit, ang palaki ng palaki yung credit limit. 1 million yung maximum amount. Ganun siya. Crediting. A BDO or BDO Network Bank account is required for loan proceeds. So, kung magpa-file kayo ng BDO salary loan, kailangan ng BDO or BDO Network Bank. So, yung isang BDO, yung BDO Unibank, or BDO Network Bank. Kahit saan dyan, kailangan yung account nyo para doon ipapasok yung ilo-loan ninyong pera. Required documents. So, ano nga ba yung mga documents required kapag balak nyo mag-file ng salary loan sa BDO? Application form. Signed BDO personal loan application form. Proof of identity. Photocopy of one valid government-issued ID with photo and signature. Example is yung passport, UMID, driver's license, SSS, or PRC IDs. Proof of income. Since para sa mga self-employed, kung ikaw ay may sariling negosyo. For employed, latest 1-month payslip and certificate of employment with salary COA. Kung ikaw ay empleyado, latest 1-month payslip and certificate of employment with salary. Then, pangalawa, kung ikaw ay self-employed, latest income tax return or ITR, audited financial statements, and business registration papers sa DTI or SEC registration. Then let's talk about the application process in filing BDO salary loan. Ano nga ba yung steps or process? Visit BDO website to apply. So ngayon, kung gusto mag-apply, kailangan mo i-visit yung BDO website kung balak mo mag-apply ng BDO salary loan. Then, pwede naman via branch. Visit any BDO loan center. So, kung balak nyo, kung may malapit naman na BDO branch sa inyo, mas better to go there or pumunta na lang kayo doon para at least kung may mga katanungan kayo, masasagot agad nila. Since may mga taga-BDO doon. So ngayon guys, take note lang since balak nyo mag-personal loan. So as you can see, yung interest rate niya is nagre-range from 1.30 to 1.25%. So ngayon, since ito ay personal loan, may monthly amortization yan. Kailangan nyo mabayaran yun guys kasi kapag hindi nyo nabayaran yun, may mga another charges yun. Tip ko na lang din sa iyo, nais ko siyang i-share sa inyo para ma-raise yung awareness at para malaman ninyo kasi since YouTube content creator, gusto ko na rin maging aware yung mga nanonood sa vlogs ko. Kailangan nyo bayaran yun kasi may penalties yun kapag hindi nyo nabayaran. Ngayon, kapag hindi nyo na kayang bayaran, make sure na kahit pa paano makapagbayad talaga kayo guys, sikapin nyo. Kasi masisira talaga yung credit records ninyo. Kasi kung wala talaga kayong magagawa para bayaran yun, yun lang, malaking problema yun. Kasi talagang hindi kayo titigilan ni bank hanggat hindi kayo makabayad ng personal loan ninyo or yung salary loan amount ninyo sa BDO. Kasi talagang sisingilin kayo nila, hahabulin kayo, tatawagan kayo araw-araw kapag hindi nyo nabayaran. Kaya naman much better na mag-file lang kayo ng salary loan sa BDO, yung kaya lang ng kinikita ninyo or ng sahod ninyo. Huwag kayong maglulo ng na lumalagpas sa kung anong meron kayo. Kasi talagang mahihirapan kayo niyan. Malaki yung interest rate tsaka yung penalties kapag hindi nyo nabayaran ng buo yung monthly amortizations. Kaya naman ingat-ingat kayo guys. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!